Hey, quick impromptu video. Just wanted to put out something, because I haven't been posting a whole lot. I've been busy printing a few different Wildstyles for some people that you might know, as well as a lot of shells, all color-coded to the correct ammo type. And I've been working on some things for the knockout. Working on a frame for the knockout based off of some work that Meeker did. Working on improving the connection methods and all that stuff, connecting it better to the shell, so I can make this use silly shells, which would be neat. I also made this little T-pole on the bottom. It's neat. So I'm working on this, working on printing tons of Wildstyles and assembling them, printing big darts with screw tops, little containers. But yeah, been busy, haven't had time to make videos, so yeah, there's your update. Very good. I also released a few new shells on the Silly Shells printables page. There is now a shell for hyperballs for the new N1 N-series darts. I think that there was a third one. Oh, I also made an improved sniper shell. I actually have the prototype for it right here. This isn't the final version, but it's a silly shell sniper barrel, but it has a collet instead of set screws to keep the barrel in place. This is an older version of the tightening nut, but yeah. So that exists now. It's up on the page. And I've been working on improving my big giant darts, which are all screw top containers. Man, I'm really good at making videos. There you go. Screw top containers. So I've been working on that. And yeah, that's what I've been up to. I'm gonna try and make some more videos about some stuff this week. Yeah, that's all I've got. Bye.